What if I told you that the key to unlocking a treasure trove of savings is hidden in plain sight? Stay tuned to discover how. Don't miss out. Amazon's super savings on gadgets could vanish. Top 15 gadgets on Amazon with super savings offers. Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum. Super savings offer $99. The Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum takes hands-free cleaning to the next level with its self-emptying station and powerful 5,000 PS suction. Capable of holding up to 60 days worth of dust and debris in its 2.5-liter dust bag, this vacuum's super savings offers you time and effort on maintenance. Equipped with iPath laser navigation, it uses precise mapping to create efficient cleaning paths for thorough coverage. With the AI.map 2.0 technology, you can select specific rooms, set no-go zones, and manage multi-floor mapping, all through the app. Hair detangling technology in the self-empty station ensures hassle-free cleaning by automatically clearing tangled hair from the roller brush. The package includes the Eufy L60 with side and roller brushes and a self-empty station, making this vacuum a complete solution for keeping your floors spotless with minimal input. Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 Portable Power Station. Super savings offer, $340. The Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 is a reliable, compact powerhouse for any adventure, delivering 1,500 watts of AC output with a 3,000 watt surge peak. With a 1-hour fast charging feature and impressive 4,000 cycle battery life, it's built for long-lasting performance. Engineered with Charge Shield 2.0 and UL certification, it offers safe, shock-resistant charging for peace of mind. Despite its robust capacity, it's lightweight at 23.8 pounds and easy to carry with an ergonomic handle. Its multiple ports, including USB-C, USB-A, DC car, and 3 AC ports, let you power numerous devices at once. The companion app provides smooth control over charging modes, energy-saving settings, and quiet overnight mode. For outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness, the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 is a compact, high-powered, and versatile choice for reliable energy on the go. Govee Outdoor LED Strip Lights. Super savings offer $60. Govee's outdoor LED strip lights bring vibrant lighting and convenience to your outdoor space with 64 preset color scenes, perfect for holiday decor and ambiance. With a durable IP65 rating, these lights are designed to withstand dust and light rain, making them reliable for outdoor use. Controlled through the Govee Home app, you can easily set timers, adjust brightness, or choose from festive scenes to match any mood. The Music Sync feature adds a lively touch, reacting to sounds for dynamic light shows, perfect for parties. At 98.4 feet, divided into 3 rolls for simpler installation, this strip provides extensive coverage. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the provided clamps and adhesive. Whether for decoration or creating a party vibe, these lights offer a flexible, colorful solution for outdoor ambiance. Sperax Walking Pad Treadmill. Super savings offer $30. The Sperax Walking Pad Treadmill offers a compact, quiet, and efficient way to stay active at home or in the office. Equipped with a 2.50 P motor, it supports up to 320 pounds while running quietly to avoid disturbing others. Its sturdy steel frame and shock-absorbing, non-slip belt ensure stability and safety while walking or running. This underdesk treadmill includes an LED display that tracks speed, distance, time, and calories, with a remote control to adjust speeds between 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour. It's ready to use right out of the box and features transport wheels for easy movement. Its slim, space-saving design allows it to slide under furniture when not in use, making it a great addition to any home or office for convenient, low-impact exercise. Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2. Super savings offer, $900. The Jackery Solar Generator 2000 V2 offers 2,000 watts of sustainable power, making it an ideal choice for both indoor and outdoor needs. Its 2,200 watts output capacity allows it to handle essentials like refrigerators, stoves, air fryers, and coffee makers, providing versatility in emergencies or remote settings. You can charge this power station via a wall outlet or solar panels, ensuring you have a reliable backup power solution. Despite its power, this compact generator takes up minimal space, making it convenient to store and transport. The Solar Generator 2000 V2 is a practical investment for those seeking peace of mind with a reliable, mobile, and easy-to-use power source, giving you energy wherever and whenever you need it. Vantrue 4K Wi-Fi Dashcam. Super savings offer $80. The Vantrue 4K Wi-Fi Dashcam N4 Pro delivers impressive image quality with its Sony Starvis 2 sensor, capturing sharp 4K video from the front, rear, and interior for all-around protection. This 3-channel dashcam is ideal for daily drivers and professionals, offering PlatePix technology for crystal-clear license plate capture, even in low light. It includes GPS for tracking routes, OTA updates, and a user-friendly app for video sharing and social media uploads. With advanced parking modes and a durable build that withstands extreme temperatures, this dashcam provides 24/7 peace of mind. Smart voice control and optional anti-glare technology enhance convenience and safety, making the Vantrue N4 Pro an excellent choice for comprehensive vehicle monitoring. AIPER Robotic Pool Cleaner. Super savings offer $120. The AIPER Scuba S1 Robotic Pool Cleaner makes pool maintenance a breeze with powerful suction and dynamic scrubbing abilities for floors, walls, and waterlines. Equipped with WavePath Navigation 2.0, this pool cleaner efficiently covers the entire pool, saving time by avoiding unnecessary overlaps. Its durable caterpillar treads give it excellent traction, navigating drains, steps, and corners with ease. With 4 cleaning modes, auto, eco, floor only, and wall only, you can customize its cleaning approach. For added peace of mind, AIPER includes a 2-year warranty, making this robotic pool cleaner a dependable investment for maintaining a pristine pool all season long. Anker SOLIX C1000. Super savings offer $450. The Anker SOLIX C1000 is a high-performance power station that combines speed, longevity, and versatility. With ultra-fast recharging, it reaches 80% capacity in just 43 minutes, perfect for quick charging needs. This power station's LiFePO4 battery guarantees durability, offering 3,000 cycles over a 10-year lifespan. SurgePad technology provides a powerful 2400-watt output to run up to 99% of appliances through its 11 ports, making it ideal for RVs and outdoor adventures. For eco-conscious users, it supports 600-watt solar recharging, reaching full power in just 1.8 hours. The water-resistant build and convenient storage compartment add to its outdoor readiness, making the SOLIX C1000 a reliable companion for any situation. AstroAI S8 Car Battery Jumpstarter. Super savings offer 5 to 15%. The AstroAI S8 Car Battery Jumpstarter is a compact yet powerful device that reliably jumpstarts engines up to 6.0-liter gas or 3.0-liter diesel, handling cars, motorcycles, SUVs, and more. Featuring a 1500 A peak current, it efficiently starts even fully drained batteries, thanks to its Smart Boost mode, which activates at low voltage. The metal clamps offer enhanced safety, while 8 protections guard against reverse polarity, overcharge, and short circuits. Weighing under 1 pound, it's easy to store in a glove box or travel bag. Beyond jump starting, this 5-in-1 device serves as a power bank and a flashlight with SOS mode, making it an ideal roadside companion. The AstroAI S8 brings peace of mind to every drive with reliability and multifunctional use. Neakasa Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Super savings offer $120. The Neakasa Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box M1 offers an open-top design, providing cats a spacious, odor-free experience. With the pull-and-wrap waste system, it automatically removes waste, sealing it in an odor-blocking bag for hassle-free maintenance. Perfect for busy owners, the M1 can manage up to 14 days of waste, ideal for multiple cats or pet parents on the go. Safety is top-notch with infrared and weight sensors, which halt operation when cats are inside. Connected to the Neakasa app, you can monitor litter levels, track bathroom habits, and control settings remotely. With reduced litter tracking and kitten-friendly features, the M1 makes litter box maintenance a breeze, giving cats comfort and owners convenience. AIRROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum. Super savings offer $120. The AIRROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum delivers professional quality grooming at home with powerful 12,000 PA suction, capturing up to 99% of pet hair. It features 3 adjustable suction levels to suit your pet's comfort, while the low-noise design, under 50 dB, keeps pets calm. Equipped with 6 guide combs for various hair lengths and a spacious dust cup, it's perfect for handling large dogs without frequent emptying. The 4.9 feet detachable hose offers flexibility, making it ideal for pets sensitive to motor noise. This 5-in-1 grooming kit not only super savings offers on trips to the groomer, but keeps your home fur-free, offering a seamless, efficient grooming experience. Tineco Floor ONE S3. Super savings offer $100. The Tineco Floor ONE S3 combines powerful vacuuming and mopping in one, using iLoop sensor technology to detect wet and dry messes on hard floors. It adjusts suction and water flow for spotless, streak-free results, leaving floors dry in minutes. Cordless and lightweight, it offers up to 35 minutes of runtime, making it ideal for quick cleaning sessions. The self-cleaning system keeps it fresh and odor-free, while an LED display and voice assistant guide you through each step. Designed for convenience, this all-in-one solution tackles everyday spills with ease, delivering an efficient clean without any hassle. MOOKA Air Purifiers. Super savings offer $20. The MOOKA Air Purifier is ideal for pet lovers and large spaces, efficiently refreshing areas up to 2,000 square feet per hour. Its unique dual side and front air intakes enhance air circulation, quickly capturing pet hair and odors. Equipped with a washable pre-filter, this purifier's 3-stage filtration system, including an H13 HEPA filter, eliminates particles as small as 0.3 microns, such as pollen, dust, and pet dander. It's user-friendly with adjustable fan speeds, a 4-timer option, and a whisper-quiet sleep mode at just 20 dB. A built-in essential oil diffuser adds a pleasant fragrance, while a child lock keeps curious paws safe. With a filter replacement reminder and certifications from CARB, EPA, and FCC, this purifier combines convenience and safety, making it a smart choice for maintaining fresh, allergen-free air. Under-desk elliptical machine. Super savings offer 7%. This under-desk elliptical machine is a versatile, low-impact workout solution, perfect for seniors or anyone seeking leg rehabilitation. It offers both manual and auto modes with forward and backward pedaling options, targeting different muscle groups and providing flexibility in workout intensity. The silent operation ensures a noise-free exercise experience, so you can stay active without disturbing others. With a handy remote control, you can switch modes without bending, making it ideal for multitasking during work or relaxation. Designed for convenience, this machine supports a low-pressure exercise regimen that helps burn calories and strengthen muscles comfortably. With a 3-month after-sales service included, it's an efficient, space-saving way to keep moving at any age. Electric Spin Scrubber. Super savings offer $12. The electric spin scrubber transforms household cleaning with powerful, cordless functionality that handles everything from bathroom grout to kitchen tiles. Its high-powered motor and versatile cleaning heads make it perfect for removing stubborn stains and grime on various surfaces. The adjustable long handle helps reach high corners and tight spots without bending, while its waterproof build and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver around the home. Built to last, this scrubber includes multiple brush heads tailored for specific tasks, allowing you to clean floors, tubs, and more with professional-level efficiency. It's the ultimate cleaning companion, designed to cut down on time and effort while delivering a sparkling finish across your entire home. These 15 gadgets are not only practical and innovative, but also come at amazing super savings prices on Amazon. From household helpers to advanced tech, this list brings you the best discounts on devices that deliver quality, convenience, and efficiency. Don't miss out on these limited-time offers. Each gadget is a smart choice for anyone looking to maximize value without compromising on quality. Ready to save big on essential gadgets? Click the links in our review to take advantage of these super savings offers on Amazon today. These deals won't last long.